In this example, we're being asked to use synthetic division to divide. This has an additional step compared to other problems we've seen. That step comes from the fact that we're missing a lot of x terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by rewriting this so that I can change this polynomial in the numerator to include those terms. So I'm missing x squared and x. So I'm going to add those in as a 0x squared plus 0x minus 1,000. Okay. Once you've got it written like this, synthetic division works just like it works in other examples. We're going to take our coefficients, so we take our first coefficient of 1 and then a 0, another 0, and a minus 1,000, and we write those coefficients down. Okay, then over in this little box, I'm going to take the number part of this binomial that we're dividing by. So we're dividing by x minus 10. I'm only interested in that negative 10, but I change that sign to a positive 10. And then we proceed with synthetic division as usual. So I'd start by carrying down my 1, and then I multiply that 1 by 10. Then I add 0 to 10. I take my 10, multiply it by this 10 up here in the corner to get 100. I add again, 0 plus 100 is 100. And then I multiply 100 by my 10 one last time. So in this case, minus 1,000 plus 1,000 gives us 0. And if you recall, that number, that's our remainder. Since our remainder is 0, that means that this evenly divided. You know, when we divided this polynomial by x minus 10, we don't get a remainder. We just have this new polynomial. And once again, to get that polynomial, we're using our new coefficients, 1, 10, and 100. And since we started by dividing x cubed, we're going to take away 1x from that. Our new coefficients, our new polynomial will start with x squared. So I'm going to have 1x squared plus 10x plus 100. And that is my answer from dividing.